Looking for a hands-on way to engage your 4th through 6th grade learners in STEAM? Plants and Seeds by PCS Edventures bring science and art to life. Kids explore the whimsical world of tunnel books and dig into plant science with the included step-by-step curriculum, supplies, and digital resources. This enrichment program blends science and creativity into 12 one-hour lessons, helping learners explore the plant life cycle through interactive experiments and art-based storytelling. Designed to build observation, problem-solving, and creative confidence in each lesson, learners explore the weird and wonderful world of plants and create botanically inspired art pieces. Plants and Seeds comes with everything you need to support up to 30 learners, including a comprehensive instructor guide that makes prep easy for educators of any experience level, video tutorials and supporting slides to make instruction a breeze, and all the materials needed to complete each activity: beans, catgrass seeds, cutting mats, crafting supplies, student pages, templates and handouts, posters, paper, and more. We've done the testing and legwork for you to be successful with your students. Download a free curriculum sample on adventures.com or contact a STEM program specialist to learn more about Plants and Seeds.